Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Harmony One. On a 7 days time frame chart, Harmony One has broken out two very big patterns. One is a breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, and after that, recently it has broken out another down channel. You can see that since after the month of August 2022, it was moving inside this channel, and now recently, almost 3 or 4 weeks ago, we had broken out the resistance, and now it is trying to break out this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 2.6 cents and goes to 3.5 cents. And previously, this resistance zone had been breaking as a very strong resistance zone here. You got rejection here and support zone here. You can see we had a bounce from this support. And after the breakdown, since after the month of June 2022, it is again flipped into a very strong resistance zone. We got two rejections here, stable rejections here, and now the price and is trying to break out this resistance zone once again. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very huge breakout from this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance as well. You can see that since it was appeared, this bearish cloud, the price end was very strong bearish. And here we got stable rejections by the resistance of this bearish cloud. And now you can see that we have broken it out. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for ID, space ID, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 13th of March 2024, almost 4 days ago. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Harmony One. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that previously, since after the month of April 2021, it was moving inside this very big and wide falling wedge pattern. And finally, after getting squeezed inside this wedge, we broke out the resistance of the wedge here in the month of January 2023. And we had a nice short pump, by the way, from this low to this high. That was more than 197%, but the price then could not continue its move to the upside due to the resistance of the next down channel and this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 2.6 cents and goes to 3.5 cents. And you can see we in fact found the support and resistance of this channel when it was moving inside this wedge here. And now after the breakout from this channel, the price and is struggling to break out this next long-term resistance that starts from 2.6 cents and goes to 3.5 cents. By the way, from this low to this high, it has rallied so far almost 361%. And during this rally, we have also broken out a very long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And this time, if the price line will be rejected by this resistance zone, then we will have a very strong support here, because this previous resistance of the channel can also work as a support. And this previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud can also work as a very long-term support for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for the breakout from this down channel is here. That is exactly at this next long-term resistance of 5.8 cents. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between 38 cents to 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.